This particular drive or horizontal shaft I've come down is really quite interesting, mainly because you can just about see daylight in the distance, and it's a fairly easy walk in. There is an awful lot of barite in veining in this one, but what is so cool is there's a slight incline just at the end, and what do we have? Water. Fantastic. It's like we're in the middle of a really very dry, arid, semi-desert condition, and at the end of this shaft we come across this beautiful clear pool that obviously you can't go any further, but I don't know where it goes to, but that's it. Quite magical. So but I had to record that interesting feature because you wouldn't expect to find water out here, but obviously we've come to the water table in this slight descent. I'll just walk a little bit, just grab my bag and just give you some idea of the workings. Similar to the last one, this one just happens to be unusual because it's in a straight line, but of course off the main drive there's side galleries that are being worked, and I did notice a small vertical shaft that you have to be careful about. So I'm walking fairly quickly, just so you get some idea of the size. The daylight's quite obvious now, so it's not that far away at all. But again, side workings, and that's an attempt at some sort of a shaft down there. There's not so many workings in the sides of this chamber. They must be barren, but they do seem to have, there you go, see that's barite up there. Another side working going down there. How far? I have no idea, but at the entrance there were some nice barite workings, but typically that's all barite veining. But typically that's some sort of a working down there. Let's see if I can find a nice This is where they've gone up into the. You can quite clearly see barite crystallised there. Pockets going in. That's strange. Why is there wind? There must be another exit for the wind to blow round. It's normally in a mine. There's no circulation. It must be here. Much bigger gallery with the pillar left, but obviously being attacked you have to leave a pillar, otherwise all this will collapse. As we know, these are old pockets that have been worked, and there you see typically a pocket that's been worked for the barite with an awful lot of barite still left in. And this end of the quarry is supposed to be where the vanadinite is, but unfortunately I haven't seen any at all. So I will make tracks.